So if we've been forgiven so much and we love him so much, well, how are we to treat others that sin against us? The Bible says we're to forgive. And he says if we don't forgive, Jesus said, then we're not forgiven. Now, I have no intention of modifying the statement of Jesus Christ. I just intend to follow it and be a forgiving person. And so if somebody wrongs me, I will forgive. Doesn't mean I become best friends with that person and want to hang out with them so I can be hurt again, but I'm not going to hold on to the bitterness of unforgiveness. I'm going to say, Lord, I didn't like what that person did, but your word says I need to forgive them, because otherwise it's going to eat me up from the inside and it's not healthy. So Lord, I forgive them, help them, and then I can move forward, right? I can be released from that burden. And so it's good for us to forgive. And it's tragic that there are people who destroy themselves physically. Their health is just deteriorated over holding on to bitterness. They're so angry at that person. And the Lord's like, I forgave you all that. Can you find in your heart to forgive them for that thing? You know, and so we need to choose to forgive. Is it easy? No, it's hard. But the Lord can help us to forgive other people. And then when you do forgive them, you find that the person really sets free is us, right? We've been locked in this cage of unforgiveness, and now we're set free, right? And it's like this weight's lifted off your shoulders, right? And you realize that the Lord didn't want you to carry that burden to begin with. And so we need to forgive.